Boeing 367-80, better known as the Dash 80, the prototype that launched the jet age of commercial aviation. First flown in 1954, it was the testbed for what would become the legendary Boeing 707, the jetliner that transformed global travel. The Dash 80 wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary, showing the world that jet-powered passenger planes were the future. Famously, during a demo flight in 1955, its test pilot stunned the crowd by performing a barrel roll in a 4-engine jet. After years of storage, Boeing fully restored the Dash 80 and donated it to the Smithsonian in 2003. Now on display at the Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center, it stands as a sleek symbol of one of aviation's boldest leaps forward,